Welcome back, YouTube supporters. I appreciate the support. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more cars and tech content as I post every week. And this week I will be installing this nice HID kit, which, what is it again? The 8000K one on this 2011 Audi A4 B8, and this is Chris's car, and that's his Instagram. Be sure to follow him, and he's also in all these car show events, Clean Culture. He's on bags, 20-inch wheels. He's also going to go wide body pretty soon, so I can't wait to see that progress. And now let's get started. So you're going to go to Advanced Auto Parts and buy the T27 or the whole start kit, and use the T27 and start unbolting the headlight. And then from there, once you have that screw, there's going to be another screw right there and another screw right here, and be sure to unclip the wires out. Don't forget to take off two screws, the one that's right here and then the one that's right here where he's doing, to remove the final screw of the housing for the headlights. Okay, now we got the left headlight removed and we have it right here. And then the next thing you're gonna do is locate the main bulb, and this is the main bulb, but you gotta remove that little cover out. Once we have the cover removed, you're gonna see some 3 clips, and don't mind those clips because all you have to do is grab it, then pull. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There you have it. We just pulled, and if these tabs they seem to be popped out, no worries, because when you put it back in, it'll be back to normal. So now let's start installing these lights. This is the lights right here, the HIDs, and these are the modules and the voltage regulators, and let's start connecting them. Okay, now we can remove the bulb like that, and then with these lights you're gonna find the positive and the negative terminals, and they're gonna go in the positive terminal, and there's the negative terminal. And then because I'm using both of my hands, I'll show you step by step. So now we have the positive and negative terminals connected. We can now pop this HID light back in there.
Make sure you put it the right way.
You know, these cables are in the way.
You got it?
Yep, once all those 3 clips are in, holding the light in place, then you're good to go. And now with these, we're going to connect it to the voltage regulators. So what me and Chris did, we made a hole through the cap, and now we took out the wires that we needed, because obviously none of this is going to fit in there, and we're going to make it as clean as possible. But before we attach all this together, we're going to put the headlight back in, so we have an idea of the space we're going to be needing to hook this up. So now we got the headlight tightened in with all the 3 screws. We had to remove the intake so we could better tighten the screws, and so we could figure out the cables. But now that we have all the cables organized, we're gonna get some 3M tape and some electrical tape and tape this down right next to this bar, this black piece right here. We're gonna push down all the wires under the intake so it looks a little bit cleaner, and now we're gonna start plugging in the wires.
All right.
Now let's push those wires under the intake, including that box. There we go. Alright, so we temporarily use red tape because we don't have any black tape. But now we're going to do the before, and then we're going to do the after. Turn on the car. Oh, so clean. You can definitely notice a difference. And now pretty much the other side is going to be the same steps, but it's going to be a lot easier because we don't have to remove the intake to get to the screws. So it's going to be this screw, which we already taken that off. Then it's going to be this one right here, and it's going to be the one right here, which we have taken off already. And now we're going to unclip it, and pop out the headlight. Alright, and there we have it. It looks so much nicer, so much brighter. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos later on, and peace.